drink your milk na. So, in daytime, you're gonna drink your milk with a glass. Okay? In nighttime, your milk bottle, the biberon. Oh, inom na. But in daytime, you are now drinking your milk in a glass, baby. Wow, good boy ang baby, mama. Oh, drink. Hey, lami. Hey. Look at that. It's almost full. Almost full. And then let's see if maubos niya to. Yummy. Oy, kakagising lang po niya from a nap. So I didn't give him milk earlier. Kasi ang dami niyang kinain. Oh, behave na, behave. Okay, you're gonna drink your milk na. Yummy. Yummy. Good job. You're drinking your milk in a glass na. Wow. Good job na, baby. How's your sleep, anak? Yeah. What day today? Oh, do not stand up. Just sit down. Sit down. What day today? Can you say Saturday. Saturday. Pag sa bote po, hindi siya iinom ng malamig or mainit. Talagang room temp lang. Pero pag sa baso, iinom siya ng malamig. Okay. Yummy. Do not play. Drink your milk na. Wow! Yummy! Ayan, nangangalahati na. Wow! Lami! Ay! Jesus! Do not stand up. Just stay in your chair. Kaya you're still drinking milk. Na! May panik na. Op! Baladaan ko ni Papa. Oh, Papa, oh! Oh, he wants to climb. Oh. Come, sit down first. Sit down muna. It's okay. Nag-cry.